Adaptations in animals. There's a variety of habitats on the planet Earth. It provides food, shelter, protection, and favorable climatic conditions for animals to survive. Animals live in different habitats. They live in forests, grasslands, deserts, polar regions, oceans, and rivers. The living conditions in all these habitats are different. Some places are hot, while some places are extremely cold. Other places could be dry or wet. Animals living in a particular habitat have special features and behaviors which help them to adapt themselves to those conditions. This process by which animals develop different features to enable them to cope with difficult situations of living is called adaptation. Animals living in mountains. Mountains have cold climate and snowfall may also occur during winters. The surface is rocky and hard. The mountain goat has strong hooves which helps it to walk and run easily on rocks. The snow leopard's claws are covered by a fold of skin which helps it to walk easily on snow. The reindeer has a thick coat of fur over its skin which keeps it warm. Animals living in deserts. Deserts are very hot during daytime, so desert animals have special features to prevent water loss from their bodies. For example, camels which live in deserts have very thick skins. They do not sweat and have certain adaptations that prevent water loss from their bodies. The thick skin helps a camel to bear the heat and cold in a desert. Camels store fat in their humps. They get energy from this fat when they do not eat food for a long time. Camels also have wide feet that help them to walk easily on sand without sinking into it. The camel is also called the sheep of the desert. Animals living in polar regions. Polar regions experience extreme cold throughout the year. Animals such as polar bears, Arctic foxes, seals, and penguins are found here. The polar bear has a thick layer of fur over its body which protects it from cold. Each of these animals has a thick layer of fat under its skin called blubber to keep it warm. Aquatic animals. Animals living in water are called aquatic animals. They breathe in oxygen dissolved in water. Crabs have gills to breathe, whereas whales and dolphins do not have gills. They have lungs to breathe. They come up to the surface of water from time to time to breathe. Fish have fins to swim in water. They also have streamlined bodies to swim through water. Turtles have paddle-like flippers which help them to swim forward in water. Webbed feet in ducks have helped them to swim on the water surface. Amphibians. The animals that can live both on land and in water are called amphibians. They can jump with long back legs. They have webbed feet which help them to swim in water. When they are on land, they breathe through their lungs, but when they are in water, they can breathe through their skin. Aerial animals. The animals that fly and spend a lot of time in the air are called aerial animals. Most insects and birds, all birds except flightless birds, fly with the help of their wings and strong flight muscles. These animals have lightweight bodies. Birds have hollow, light bones with air spaces. This allows them to take in a lot of air for producing more energy. Aerial animals also have streamlined bodies which help them to cut through the air easily. In cold winter months, birds move to warmer places in search of food and warmth. This mass movement of birds from a colder place to a warmer place is called migration. Arboreal animals. The land animals that spend most of their lifetime living on trees are called arboreal animals. They have sharp claws that help them to climb up trees. They can hold on to the branches with their powerful legs. Adaptation for food. There is a variety in feeding habits of animals. Accordingly, they have features that make it easy for them to gather and eat their food. Herbivorous. Some animals such as cows, buffaloes, zebras and goats feed on plants and plant parts are called herbivorous. Herbivores have strong teeth to cut and bite leaves and stems. Their sharp biting and cutting teeth and strong grinding teeth help them to chew the food. Elephants have long trunks to pull out grass and leaves. Giraffes have long necks to reach for leaves from tall trees. Butterflies have tube-like mouths, so they suck nectar from flowers. Carnivorous. The animals such as lions, tigers, wolves, etc. feed on the flesh of other animals. They are called carnivorous. They have very strong and sharp teeth to catch their prey and tear its flesh. Flesh-eating birds have sharp beaks and claws. Omnivorous. Human beings, crows, and bears feed on both plants and animals. They are called omnivorous. They have sets of flat and sharp teeth to eat both plant and animal parts. The cow is a herbivore. The lion is a carnivore. The bear is an omnivore. Parasites. The animals that live on or inside the bodies of other animals called hosts and derive their food from them are called parasites. Mosquitoes and flies live on the host body and suck blood with the help of sucking tubes. Tapeworm and roundworm live inside the host body. Scavengers. These animals feed on the flesh of dead animals. Vultures have strong eyesight and sense of smell to locate a dead animal. Adaptation for protection. Animals develop various features to protect themselves from predators. Some of these examples are discussed below. The body color of some animals can easily blend with their surroundings. Due to this, they cannot be noticed easily by their enemies. This is called camouflage. For example, the leaf insect merges well with the color of the leaf. Stripes on the body of the zebra helps it to blend with the surroundings. The white color of the polar bear's fur helps it to merge well with the snow-covered background. The chameleon has the ability to change its body color to match its surroundings. Tortoises and snails have hard shells on their bodies. They go into their shells when faced with danger. Deer run very fast with the help of their strong legs to save themselves from lions and tigers. Porcupines and hedgehogs have sharp spines that save them from their enemies. Elephant and hippopotamus have thick skins which protect them from the hot climate. Protecting the endangered animals. Some animals are disappearing at an alarming rate. This is because either their habitats are being destroyed or they are being hunted. Such animals are called endangered animals. Some of them are giant panda, rhinoceros, tigers, etc. Endangered animals can disappear forever if they are not protected in their habitats. To save these animals, the Government of India has made laws to control their killing and selling of their body parts. National parks and wildlife sanctuaries have also been set up by the Government of India to protect these animals.